create pad footing, go to the concrete tab and footing. Here it is pad footing. Select this pad footing and here it is, you will get it the properties of pad footing. If you go to the PDF, you can see the footing, and this is the height of footing 800, and this one we need to place it. You can see here grout, we have already we made grout with this base plate. The grout we need to make it 25, and here it is coming outside also 25 25 we have grout location, and here this is the base plate size, two side 25 25 we need to make it. So 1050 this side, this is 1450. So now we need to create footing. Just I close this one, go to the Tekla, make it here. You can make it pad footing or you can make it in the name footing only, and this is the profile. You have to make it here. Just you can type the value. I just make it here 1450, then make star 1050, then enter. Here we need to make bottom, need to make here 800. If you go to the PDF, you can see here it is, this is the 800. Then we have 25, we have grout. See here, this is the elevation, 0 elevation. So we need to make it minus 25 is the top level of footing. So now just make it here minus 25, that is the top level of footing. Other all the thing keep as it is. Now if you need any other things, you can make it, simply enter and go to the view, select this view list, select this greedy, or you can use control tab also, it will go to the next view. Again one more time, select the footing, select the footing, you will get the properties same like this. Click this location, don't expand, here it is perfectly placed. If you go to the 3D, you can see the 3D also, press control tab, it will go to the next view. Here it is created perfectly like this. Now select this one, right click, copy, click this point, we can place it wherever we want. So now this one is placed. Now completely this frame is finished, column, rafter, footing, everything we finished. Select all the things, right click, copy, just click this corner of this grid. We can copy like this, or we can use select all the things, right click, copy, linear. That is very easiest one, that is very useful one. Now here we need to check where is our work plane. So now just go to view, then go to the work plane, select this one, and I just click here. So X direction here, so just make it here 10,000. How many quantities we require? 3 plus 3, 6 quantity required. Just make it here 6, then copy. Everything will copy within few seconds. So now it is placed. Click expand, and here it is expand. So this is the way you can create pad footing, and you can arrange all the frames like this. Thank you so much.